Hello friends, this is a 2 mark question on DMGT on topic graph theory. Here we are given one graph and asked which of the following statement is false. The first statement is graph G is a bipartite graph. We say that a graph G is a bipartite graph if its vertices can be grouped into two sets u, v such that every edge in the graph connects a vertex in u with one in v. The simplest way to determine whether a graph is a bipartite graph is by verifying whether its chromatic number is 2. That is, if the graph's vertices can be colored using only two different colors, such that no two adjacent vertices have the same color. So let us check if this graph can be colored using just two colors. So if we color the vertex 1 with color blue, then vertex 2 with color red, then vertex 3 with color blue, or vertex 4 color red, or vertex 5 red, or vertex 6 blue, or vertex 7 blue, and for vertex 8 red. From this we can say that the chromatic number of this graph is 2 because no two adjacent vertices have the same color. Hence we can say that this is a bipartite graph. So the first statement is true. Now the second statement is graph G is a planar graph. We say that a graph is a planar graph if it can be drawn on a plane in such a way that no edges cross each other. So let us see if we can draw this graph such that no two edges cross each other. So here we can see that we can draw the original graph in such a way that no two edges are crossing each other. Hence we can say that graph G is a planar graph. So the second statement is also true. Now the third statement is independence number of a graph is 5. Independence number for a graph is nothing but the size of the maximum independent set. An independent set is a set of vertices in a graph such that no two vertices are adjacent. So if we look at the graph, the independent set becomes 1, 6, 7, 3, since no two vertices among these are adjacent to each other. If we add any of the other 4 vertices in this set, then it no longer become the independent set. So this is also a maximum independent set. And its size is 4. So the independence number of this graph is 4. Hence this statement is false. So the correct answer to this question is option C. The last statement says that 1673 is a vertex covering of a graph G. Vertex cover for a graph is nothing but a set of vertices such that each edge in the graph is incident on at least one of the vertices in the set. That is, each edge in the graph should have endpoint, at least one endpoint in this set, and this can be easily verified from the graph. As we can see, the edge 1 to 5 has 1 in this vertex cover. Take another example of age 7 to 8. Here 7 is present in the vertex cover. So 1673 is a vertex cover since it covers all the edges in the graph. So the fourth statement is also true. As the independence number of the graph here is wrong, the correct answer to this question is option C. Thanks.